Good morning again on this Saturday, and what's a beautiful start to your Saturday and what will be a warm afternoon today and a warm afternoon tomorrow as well. Shouldn't have any delays, at least from the local weather out at DFW or Love Field this morning or this weekend. Of course, I can't, say things will be 100% okay across the rest of the country, but at least our local weather should be totally fine. Love Field sitting at 51 degrees. DFW Airport already up to 56, well on our way to the 70s a little bit later on this afternoon. So there you go, low to mid upper 70s depending on where you are, about 76, 77 from Dallas to Fort Worth, normal highs 63. So we'll be way above that this afternoon. Then tonight and into tomorrow morning, it'll be a range of low to mid to maybe even a few upper 50s as you start the day tomorrow. And tomorrow afternoon warmer than today, and should be the warmest day of the year so far. Upper 70s, but to the east of DFW, but DFW to the west should easily reach the 80s, maybe even some upper 80s out to the west, about 20 degrees above normal for this time of the year, but not a record because the record tomorrow is 96, set back in 1904. But that looks to change as we head into Monday. Check this out. Your highs 90 or above from Dallas to Fort Worth, and then especially west and southwest of DFW, 90s pretty likely in those portions of North Texas. DFW may be close, but I have us about 90, 91, and the record on Monday is 90, set back in 1917. So we could tie or maybe even break a well over 100-year-old record during the day on Monday. 80s for areas east and northeast of DFW. It'll be warm for everybody and maybe even hot in a few locations on Monday. Now, the good news is when we get heat this time of the year, especially DFW to the west on Monday, it'll be a pretty dry air, so it's not like we're going to have a heat index or anything like that, but still very warm for this time of the year and potentially even record warm. Nothing happens this weekend. We will stay dry, just a few passing of clouds here or there, maybe a few more clouds as we head through the day on Monday, and it does look like it'll be fairly cloudy on Tuesday. Here comes our next front. It arrives Tuesday night into Wednesday. You see any showers or storms with it, mainly stay to the northeast of North Texas, but I can't rule out maybe a stray shower storm east-northeast of the DFW area, northeastern North Texas, Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. Wednesday looks to be dry, but check out what happens on Thursday. Disturbance moves overhead, a little bit of passing rain possible. All that moves out, and we're dry as we head through Friday, and it looks to be dry for the upcoming weekend as well. As far as rain totals are concerned, it's maybe a tenth, quarter of an inch across the area with some scattered rain. Mainly, when I say mainly Wednesday, Thursday, it's probably more so Thursday for most of you when we're looking at those rain chances. And that front will also bring us some cooler weather as well. It's 90 on Monday, 87 Tuesday. Tuesday could be a record high as well. But then look at Wednesday and Thursday. That's a pretty decent cool down, even though those temps on Wednesday and Thursday are back. They're going to be below normal, but they're back closer to normal for this time of the year. It's a big cool down when you're talking highs in the upper 80s to touch a 90. So 50s Wednesday and Thursday. We warm back up as we head through the weekend at 68 Friday, 70s this next weekend. And that first week of March may be a little cooler, relatively speaking, with highs in the upper 60s to touching 70, and there also could be some rain around for the first part of that following week as well. On Sunday, we got a big event. Sunday, and by Sunday, I mean tomorrow. That would be the Cowtown Marathon, the half full and ultra. It'll be warm in the morning for this time of the year, and it'll be about 75 by the time we hit the noon hour, and a breezy wind out of the southwest. So good luck to all the runners running, whether it be the half full or ultra tomorrow out in Fort Worth. And